Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the ACEDC start in Zirc. Here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, we're gonna analyze the feel, and we're gonna analyze the sound of this little guy. But hey, don't forget to like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want me to keep bringing this kind of stuff right over here. So I mean, beautiful box. Look at this artwork here. You've got the gamer going on, all the popular toys from ACEDC, and then you've got this envelope, yeah, which contains an extra bearing, some rubber O-rings, and this on-off plate, because this is the start. And of course you've got this toy, and on the back you can check the serial number, because these are 50 made only, and this is the Zirc and brass edition, and that's your toy, like vacuum sealed in this nice bag. And we're gonna need a knife with some Zirc in it to open this little bag, right? So we're gonna use this Kirby Lambert, that's the Rain. Fantastic knife, guys. So let's check this guy out. Let's see what is going on in this one. I can see already there's a little bit of oh my god, this is clicking. I didn't expect this to be clicking. Amazing. It's already, oh, I'm already in love. Okay, wait a second. Really cool. Okay, you've got brass, you've got Zirc. This of course is reminiscent of the amplifiers. Like for the guitar you have like that knob, and these grooves are just fantastic. It just gives a nice feel, just like it's like a knob, of course. And here you have the on-off button, because this is the start from ACEDC. It's a spinner, but it's also a clicker. I really am positively surprised. Really cool feeling in the hand. I'm because there's like rubber gaskets, yeah. You can see that this guy is numbered also on the inside. You can replace these two, and probably this is gonna be also like a ring spinner. Look at this. So immediately this guy reminds me of the Sam, which is very similar actually, and we can also do like a size comparison right away, because look at this, both are Zirc polished, both have a brass button, both are, you see also the Sam, you can just remove the center. There's a couple of gasket of rubber or rings inside, and they are similar in color. So I mean, that's a similar product, so you can do something like that. And that, just since we are at it, just check some other options. This is also from ACEDC, and this is the gamer, the D-pad right there. And let me show you another ACEDC. That's the Spirited Away Zirc coin, another fantastic toy. And this is the Ruisha spaceship in titanium. And what else can I show you guys? Look at this guy, Cupronickel 76 number, bulletproof shield by EDC Lung Vu. Just another couple, Zirc, Mahjong tile, and what else can I show you? Of course, Ambury and Maki coin collaboration. Okay, last one, this guy, because it's just so awesome. That's the Muji capsule spinner right over here, since we're talking about spinners. So I'm not like a huge spinner guys. I have a few, but I'm mostly like a slider and clicker guy. And this is coming like to a fantastic surprise, because you can spin it and click it at the same time. So that is really cool. This guy is fantastically done. Reminds me like of a Marshall guitar amplifier, and it's made in Zirc. It's polished, and this brass has a little bit of a orange peel texture on the button, and nothing going on around. So very cool. I'm curious right now actually on how to. Oh, look at this. So this guy. Oh yeah, so you can actually, oh, so you have, very interesting, you have two of these here, so you can just put them here. And then here you've got, wow, this guy is really well made, I have to say. It is well made for sure. So let's just put it back together like that, I think, I hope. And here you go. And this guy goes actually in from the other side, like so. Really, really cool. So very, very easy to maintain, to clean, and to take care of this. It's looking really good, guys. The sound also, it's beautiful. It's nice and deep. It's addictive, guys, and you can combine the whirring sound, which is very pleasant. It's really low pitched and not obtrusive, really quiet, to the clicking sound. So you have double the pleasure, and of course you have the haptic feedback coming from the, you know, not the haptic, but I mean the feedback coming from the spinning Zirc part on the outside, and this clicking feature is just a fantastic surprise for me. I really wasn't expecting that. I am really liking this guy, and let's just quickly check what is the weight on this little guy right over here. It's gonna be weighing in at 3.25 ounces, and let's just check the overall diameter of this guy is 1.37 inches, and on the thickness we are at 0.7 inches. So you have an idea of the size, you have an idea of the weight, you have an idea of the sound. You know that it clicks, you know that it spins. You know that this is a fantastic, fantastic one, guys. I am really surprised to have found this little fella right over here. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.